Good morning, sixth grade. Today we are going to be learning a new vocabulary word called the mean, and we're going to be practicing how we can find it. So follow along. So the mean is a vocabulary word that means the average, okay? It is the average of a set of data points, meaning we have a group of numbers and it's just the average of them. The way that we calculate the mean is by adding all of our data points together and then dividing by how many numbers there are. Let's look at what this looks like in an example. So in this example, I have a data set 5, 6, 2, 8, and 4. When I say data set, all I mean is a group of numbers. To find the mean, I'm going to find the sum of these numbers divided by, that's why I have a fraction bar, divided by the number of numbers that I see. Remember that the sum is the answer to an addition problem, so we're going to be adding here. So step one is just to add all of the numbers together. So I'm going to go back to my set of numbers and I'm going to add 5 plus 6 plus 2 plus 8 plus 4. When I did this, I got 25. That's step one. Step two is to count the number of numbers that I see. So I'm going to go back to my data set and I'm just going to count. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 numbers in this data set. And step three is going to be to divide the number I got in step 1, 25, by the number I got in step 2, 5. And when I divide 25 divided by 5, I will get 5. This is the mean of the data set, 5. So that would be my answer to this problem. Let's do one more example together. In this case, I have a data set and I want to find the mean. The way that I'm going to do this is I'm going to find the sum of my numbers divided by however many numbers there are. So first I'm going to add these numbers together. 7 plus 4 plus 10 plus 9 plus 7 plus 5. And I'm going to do this really carefully so I don't make any mistakes. When I added these numbers together, I got 42. Step 2, I count how many numbers I see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 numbers. And step 3, I'm going to divide 42, which is what I got in step 1, by 6, which is what I got in step 2. 42 divided by 6 is 7, so 7 is my mean. Here is a review of the steps that we just took. This review will be posted in your assignment for today. If you get stuck, watch this video again and ask me if you have any questions. Bye!